Star Realms. This is the sci-fi deck building game. Perfect two-player game. We will see. Let's just open a pack and see what's inside it. We have life here. So we have life cards here. It's a 5er and a 1er, and a 10 and a 20. We have explorer cards. We have this leaflet that will tell you everything you need to know to start the game. Tells you a little bit how the setup can look like. So one of the first things you need to know is finding 2 Vipers for your deck and 8 Scouts. When you have this 10 cards, this is your deck. Shuffle your deck as good as you can. And if you are starting, you are the starting player, you draw 3 cards. And each round after that, you draw 5 cards. That's your hand, and this is your deck, and over time you will buy stuff and your deck will be looking different. So now you find a coin or something, flip it, and you find out who starts. Player starting starts with 3 cards. If you are player number 2, you will always start with 5 cards, and all rounds after the first one you will always draw 5 cards. Okay, you have your deck. The opponent has his deck. It could be the same, 2 Vipers and rest Scouts, 8 Scouts. Okay, so you have the deck here and the deck here. Then you have always explorers that are ready to get bought. You can see here's the trade cost. This is what it costs to buy this. And at the start of your turn, you are starting with 50 lives. So if you turn 2 of those and maybe 1 like this, you have 50 lives total, and that's your authority. If it goes below 0, you lose the game. Then simply take the rest of the deck and shuffle it as good as you can and lay it out. So you lay 5 cards out now. See if you can show it over here. So Explorer you can buy always. Then you have your deck, and then you draw 5 cards. These are the things you can buy this round. So you can see here, this is what it costs to buy a thing. So if I start, I draw 3 cards. See what we get here. I get 2 traits and 1 combat. 1 combat, shoot the opponent with that and buy something for 2. So I can buy a Corvette, and that's it. Then I turn out a new card from the big deck here, and then it's next turn. So I just take this and lay it beside my other deck. This is what I have bought. Right, the other one plays, buy something. If it's lucky, buying that. Take another card. Then it's my turn again, and I draw 5 cards. So this time I have 4 and a combat, so 1 combat that way. Score is 48 life there. Let's see what we can do with 4. If I buy this one, it will give me trade, 4 trade, and if I have another one with that symbol in play, this will also happen. And yeah, you just read the cards and see what's happening. And some cards also have scrap on them, meaning if you are using that one, you are like killing this is going out of the game, but you gain this one. And the opponent, if this is an outpost, they have to give it 5 damage in their turn, or it will just regenerate, and they have to shoot this one before they can shoot. So let's just find another base. This is a base without this, that now they can choose to shoot 6 combat on that one, or just go straight to my face with how much damage they have. Bases are going to be laying down here. If you're drawing them, you can have them laying on the table for eternity till they are destroyed by some means. Right, this is the game. I really love it, I have to say. It's a very good game. One thing I will say, it is the more you play it, the better you are, so it can be very unforgiving for new players meeting the players that have played a little. So that's my thoughts about this game. I would recommend this is a must-buy for a collection if you just need to have this game. For no other reason that look at this art. It's just really cool art. Alright. Anyways. Bye now. Alright, let's start. Star Realms, a deck building game. This is meant for 2 players. You can buy one more and it can be up to 4 players. It is a perfectly balanced game. Let's just open the pack and see what's inside it. We have life here. So we have life cards here. It's a 5er and a 1er, and a 10 and a 20. The Explorer cards. There should be an endless support of Explorer cards in the deck. We have this leaflet that will tell you everything you need to know to start the game. Leaflet here where you can see how to play the game and tells you a little bit how the setup can look like. And we have a little bit of what the factions are: Blood Faction, Trade Federation Faction, Star Empire Faction, and Machine Growth Faction. You have Authority, that's your life. Combat, that's how you hurt somebody, and trade, that's your money. Then you can scrap a thing. If you scrap it, you need to scrap it, meaning you have to remove it from your deck. So, at the start of the round, each player starts with 2 Vipers, 8 Scouts, 8 Scouts, and 2 Vipers.